Hey, ForexMilitia, this is Parsival, and I am going over the week of the 28th through December the 2nd, and we are going to start off with the calendar. And this week basically saw one rate hike coming out of New Zealand, and we've got the FOMC that actually came in on Wednesday, all right? And basically, something that they said, the Fed with monetary policy approaching sufficiently restrictive. Let me open that up. Sufficiently restrictive level. Emphasize final destination more important than funds rate itself. All right. So basically, it seems like in the notes that they are looking to basically slow up a little bit. That they're going to uh, the rate hikes won't be as severe as they've been. All right, and that's basically it for last week. All right, so let's get into this week. And this week we have the RBA speaking on Monday. Red news. The GDP from Canada. We've got uh, the GDP from Canada. I said that wrong. The GBP is speaking. Governor Bailey. The U.S. customer sentiment. I mean, customer confidence, and then the JOLTS, the ADP on Wednesday, and then that's all loading up for the NFP on Friday. We've got some small news coming through, but we're going to want to see in the U.S., right, because watch the Fed watch, we're going to see what these unemployment numbers are from Canada, right, and from the U.S., big one, the U.S., all right? So that's what's going on this coming week. So let's get to the charts and see what we can see, starting with the dollar. And on the dollar has been retracing, right? It's been falling. It's been there's been some profit taking going on, and it's still long. Still, the COT still has it long, but it looks like they did some profit taking. This whole trade is still long, and we'll see exactly how far they are going to take it down before I believe it starts to rally again. Because the U.S. 30, the Dow Jones, has been rallying ever since, and when the dollar starts to rally again, this most likely will start to fail. It'll start to fall. All right. This is still in a downtrend, and interestingly enough, it actually broke the high way back here in August to go a little bit higher. It has reached an over bought indication on my QQE, and I am still looking to trade this short. I do not believe that this will continue to go higher for right now. Now, even saying that, the Fed is basically going to decrease the rate hikes by significantly as they try to create a soft landing. So there could be a possibility that the Dow Jones might trend higher off of that. All right, but I'm still short. Okay. All right. So on gold, gold is short, right? Um, from what I'm seeing here, this was just basically a pullback, and if the stock market continues to rally, then this probably gold will probably rally with it because that is the dollar the dollar is going to start to really fall. So off of that, but I am short on gold right now. Okay, on Bitcoin. Oh, the COT also had a heavy reduction to the shorts, so that's pretty interesting. Okay, on Bitcoin, Bitcoin is actually slightly long, which is very interesting because something that I've noticed over these recordings is whichever side it's contrarian. It's actually contrarian. So that's what I believe is going on here. So with that contrarian view, with Bitcoin being long, slightly long, that means that this is most likely going to be short. And as you can see here, I have this wrong, but it's slightly long. On U.S. oil, WTI is short, right? But WTI is on the COT is still long. All right, but once again, it's falling. It's falling down, and I basically did believe that it was going to fall down to this area here. I am now looking to trade this short, and if anything, it'll just hit this area. So I'm a little late to the game. So this is still long. COT has it long, but technical analysis has it short. On the loonie. The loonie, following the dollar, it will be determined by what the dollar actually does. All right, so it's going to basically fall with the dollar and climb with the dollar, depending on what it basically does. So I think that this is just a pullback, and so I believe that this is going to be going long with the dollar. All right, the COT has the CAD short, and they're reducing their shorts. So a bit of some covering, or some profit taking from the shorts that they probably took to here. So that's possibly a look to see it at a turnaround. On the euro is, let me zoom that in, is long, all right, but the technical analysis says that this is going short. So the smart money is long, but my technical analysis has a short. So over the last couple of months, though, it has been long for a while. So I'm not sure exactly where it's basically going to go. But if it breaks above here, actually, if this line actually goes above, the orange line goes above the yellow line, I will start looking for long trades. And on the pound. The pound is actually short, right? The COT has it short, and they are reducing their shorts. So we will be looking to see if the dollar follows through and continues to fall off of these currencies. Basically being in the denominator area if the dollar loses its strength. And with that, I will please ask you to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. There are links in my description for TradeMiner, SeasonX, and EA Builder. All right. Knowledge is power. Be power hungry and power to the people. This is Parsival signing out.